Welcome back into another 99 Bitcoins video. We are exploring the topic of how to find the next big explosive meme coins out there in the crypto space. And I personally believe there are two ways of doing this. One is you do your research, you do your due diligence, you take a risk at a coin that's got 10 to 100x potential, but there's a level of risk attached, but you do everything you can in order to make sure you're making the right decision. So we're going to uncover how you can find some of these coins and what you can do to ensure that they maybe are the right ones to get into. And number two, you can position yourself to get in before the retail money, to get in before the major pumps. And you can use things like, Google Trends to find the search volume. And what I mean by that is getting into coins like Shiba Inu before that retail money flows in and sends them flying to the moon, which effectively, diminishes your upside potential, increases your risk, and, the downside price potential is maximized because of this. So you want to get in when memes are effectively dead, because you've effectively got 50-ish days per meme cycle to get in. So you got to find the lull. You got to find when meme coins are dead again, and you have a good 2-year window to be doing that. And again, Google Trends is reflecting human beings. It's reflecting human behavior when we type into Google the keywords that we're typing in. You can see here meme coins are flying right now. I don't know if you can see above my head, but look at the search volume. We've got this big volume spike. So everyone's talking about meme coins. So for me, it's not the time to allocate massive positions of liquidity or my portfolio into meme coins. Yes, it can be fun to get in, get out quickly, but there's no way I'm going to buy a meme coin at this price and hold it. There's no way. I'm not allowing that to happen. You're going to fall for the trap. So you got to be very aware of this as well, guys. So let's talk about it. Meme coins, $48.2 billion market capital at the moment. And we can just break down some of the popular ones right now. For example, if you got into Shiba Inu before retail money, you're getting at $4 billion MC. You ride up to what recently hit a local high of $20.81 billion MC over here. Go to Bonk as well. You can see Bonk was outrageous. You can see over here in the bear market, it was positioned at like 20 to sort of 50 million MC, started going parabolic, ripped up here to what looked like 1.49 billion. So did a 15x, I think, or something outrageous, maybe even 100x actually. Yes, 100x. It did 100x, corrected down to 600 million, and then went up to like 2.43 billion. So it did from this position here, it did like a 4x. So you can see how getting in low for meme coins around that 5 to 20 million valuation is where the major money is really made in most cases. Dogecoin as well. If you look at market cap of Dogecoin, you got in at 8 billion in the bear. You actually made a 3x if you bought in the bear market, which isn't like incredible money to go to the bank about or, really kind of create generational wealth. But 3x is still a big one, especially for Dogecoin. It's got a bigger market capitalization. Now, what you can also do whilst looking at these particular coins, for example, we take Shiba Inu as an example, what I would personally be doing over here is checking out websites like d.fi, where you can type in a contract address for any project. Get that contract address over here. So for example, like we're on Shiba Inu, coin market cap. Of course, this is where you can do exploring of meme coins. But you've got Ethereum, so you can pull that token address, that contract address, go to d.fi, plug this in, and when we hit this right here, it's going to give you a contract analysis and let you know how safe a particular project is. Another one we could try just to test this is, meme coin recently gone absolutely crazy. And if we do get that contract address and we plug it straight in over here, we can see again, what's the safety of meme? Is it going to show us meme coin? The safety here is 100 of 100. So we know Shiba Inu, Bonk, Dogecoin, meme coin, these aren't scams, but they are extremely volatile, and they'll usually surge for a good few weeks and then die down again. And it just kind of happens that way all over and over again. Now, you're probably thinking, okay, I'm new to the meme coin space. Now, a lot of these coins are accessible through exchanges, but remember, non-custodianship, if it's on an exchange, technically you don't own that cryptocurrency. So if you want to actually own the cryptocurrency, you can do it the correct DeFi way. The first step into doing that is by having some sort of wallet that allows you to take full ownership, such as, for example, a MetaMask wallet, which will be your portal through to Web3, meme coins, and all this kind of stuff through the ERC20 mainnet, which is Ethereum, or the BEP20, which is Binance. Alternatively, if you're looking for Solana-based ICOs or meme coins, Phantom will be your go-to extension here and your go-to wallet for Chrome or your mobile phone. So this is fully anonymous. This is your own wallet that is unique to you. You'll be given a 12 seed phrase, which you should only write down on a piece of paper because that is your password, effectively unique to your wallet ID that will get you in and out if you need to import, your wallet into a new device or something like that. So yeah, guys, meme market is absolutely outrageous. So you can just hover through coin market cap and you can click on the 7 days and you can look for coins that you think, okay, what's going to do well? We've got Cheems over here. Cheems is a low market cap. So could it do a 10x? It's a Solana based coin, but really just looking at the price action, the volatility is absolutely outrageous and it's hard to know which coins will go parabolic. It's only on dexes, as we can see. So Cheems would potentially do well, in my opinion, if it was somehow speculated to be launching on these big exchanges. So it is very, very speculative, the meme coin space, and I think that does put a lot of people off. But the safest thing, of course, is getting into the OG memes like Shiba, Bonk, Doge, Pepe in those bear market environments. If you are in, however, a bull market and you are seeing a lot of coins rip to the upside and going absolutely crazy, you can use some platforms such as, firstly, DeFi Llama, which is your go-to place to explore all the chains. More on that later. But once you do have your sort of MetaMask wallet and Phantom wallets downloaded, exploring websites such as birdeye.so, which is effectively the birdeye location where you'd go to find all the gems, the meme coins in the crypto space on the Solana chain. You can actually go through all different chains as well, but predominantly Solana this would be used for. So you can look through your Ethereum contracts or projects. You can look through BNB projects, things like this. You can look through Arbitrum, and you've got all the different chains there. So if we're just exploring Solana, sort of 1000x potential coins, you can see here are some trending tokens in this space on the Solana chain. You could click on, for example, Monkey with Hat, which is a recently trending and pumped coin. But you can see this is just pure pump and dumpy. It doesn't look that reliable. And if you were to look at the website, if it even had a website, we can try and find out. It's not even available. They don't even have a Twitter. So you can see not having a website, not having a Twitter is extremely risky. And you should always do your own due diligence. Check for any faults with these contracts and see if there are any malicious things, because nothing can pump forever like the way we're seeing it. We can check out this coin here, which has also pumped quite significantly. They don't have a website, they don't have a Twitter, they've got a good community sentiment score, but this can also be biased as well. So you have to be really careful about what you digest. Alternatively, you've got Dex Tools. Now, Dex Tools is one of my favorites. You get a lot of Ethereum chain tokens pumping over here. So if we were just to look at Ethereum, for example, and let's find, a coin that has been performing well recently. We could look at, I don't know, there's so many, MOG over wrapped Ethereum. So we've got the contract address here of MOG, and we can actually go back to that D.5 project from earlier. We can type in now this ERC20 contract, and it should pull up some details. Look, it's got a good score. We can see there's no real malicious intent here, perhaps because D.5 is scanning that contract. Now, if we went back to another trender on Ethereum, Pepe Jump, looks outrageous. It's an Ethereum-based coin. Let's get this address, because let's say you're a noob in the crypto space and you see a candle like this and it's just completely green. That's going to really make you FOMO in. So this is also about protecting your own funds, guys. You've got to be careful and stop letting a lot of meme coin developers out there completely wreck you. We could put this one in over here and it's going to give us MOG. Nope, that's not right. It's going to give us Pepe Jump. So there we go. Now we see the dirty side of crypto. Locked Ether, rug pull risk, dump risk, recently deployed contract, very bad score, 43 of 100. So, you can start doing this, but going through Dex Tools and Birdeye is your first sort of place to begin your journey of speculating where to find these big projects, these big meme coins. Now, for me, if I'm here, I like to look for coins that do have good liquidity as well. Low liquidity isn't a good thing. Low volume is also not really a good thing. So you want to find some decent ratios and projects that are on the rise in terms of liquidity, volume, have a good Dex Tools score of 99 ideally, and just really back it up and reinforce it as much as possible. Here we can see $1 million liquidity. And of course, you want to be looking for locked in liquidity as well. We can see this is locked in by the liquidity symbol here saying 99% locked liquidity for 12 bumps. So this is an important thing as well to consider. But this sort of coin, I would say actually looks quite promising. Do they have a contract? Yes. Do they have a website? They've got a website. So this is a big AI coin. Have they got a Twitter? Yes, they've got a Twitter. If you're looking at the Twitter, does it look botted? Does it look legit? Are the engagements organic? And same for the website. Can you find any form of KYC, a good roadmap, or a good vision, good fundamentals, good direction of what they want to do in the future? We can see this one here is sitting at $20 million market cap. So could it have 10x potential? Because that would take it to $200 million. So you start asking these questions. It's only got 1.71k holders, which is really low as well in the general meme coin space. So there's a few ways you can kind of explore as well. Using Bird Eye, these decks, basically got the embedded decks on the screen, and then you can go through all the trending tokens on the day and find the ones that you like. Or you can go to newly listed coins, which is of course very risky because there's no price history. You're effectively aping into something that you don't know how is going to perform. Or you can also go to a website such as DeFi Llama. DeFi Llama allows you to go through different chains in the crypto space. For example, we could click on Solana because we know the 1 month on Solana has been really parabolic, but this can help you identify chains that are growing in the crypto space, ones that have not taken off yet. What if a meme coin launches on the Ton chain and then we start seeing Ton go absolutely parabolic? Then that's going to have a good price direction for Ton, but also it's going to mean lots of new Ton meme coins would spawn. If we look over here on Solana and look at the overall responsible vehicles for moving all this on-chain activity, for example, when we look at the volume, you can see all this new volume coming in because this was the meme coin Solana rush. This is all volume here, and with this rush we've seen, of course, the price of Solana go up. And what's responsible? Dexes like Radium, Jupiter being derivative exchanges. And you can see, just looking again at the volume spikes coming in with the meme coin market. So where could meme coins effectively deploy next? Where could meme coins go in terms of a new chain? What chains are out there where we could see memes actually list onto? Could it be Casper? Could it be Hedera? Could it be Phantom? Lots of big ecosystems and chains with big potential. That's why Ethereum sitting at the top, BSC at the top, Solana at the top, because you're getting these meme coins that deploy on these particular chains. So there's something to also consider out there as well. Use DeFi Llama to try and identify on-chain data that is moving in the back end that you can't really see by just looking at a chart, and try and find these chains that are growing and moving up in volume and try and identify why. Like if we look at the last 7 days, why is, for example, BitTorrent network up massively? Why is the Aeron network up massively? We can click onto that. And you can see TVL locked is absolutely ridiculous. I would never jump on this, but it's all because of the hyperswap DEX over here. So apparently, according to this, it's moved quite parabolically. So you can identify also trends and cool things in the crypto market. This was the DEX here. That was, of course, pumping swap.aeron.network. I can't actually see the website for some reason. It wants me to connect my thing. I'm not going to do that just in case, because it could be some fishy thing. But, it's just thinking really deep, and how can we find these trends before the retail money finds the trends? Or you can take risks out there in the crypto markets. We're looking at Dogecoin 20. We know it's launching around a $10 million market capital with a 6 million hard cap in pre-sale, 3.77 million raised. This is, raising money fast. It's speculated to go on big exchanges. The Twitter is growing more and more. They've got big liquidity. They've got strong plans, good roadmap over here. So it's like, we're looking and speculating, could this do well? It hasn't gone through all of the psychological stages of a market cycle. 140 billion fixed tokens with 25% allocated to the pre-sale being 35 billion tokens. So it's just these things, taking risks, remembering that you have to get in and out fast, and don't hold on to these coins forever, because that's where it could really leave you in a bit of a trap. So guys, that's kind of a wrap on how to find the meme coins. Of course, you can just go to crypto market, look at CMC, coin market cap. You can look at the 24-hour pumpers, and you can just try and find what's pumping and what you think is the new meta, what is the alpha meme coin, what meme coin is going to keep on going up in price. It's really hard to say. It's very hard. It's very much like closing your eyes and just picking out a few coins, and really there's no true logic or strategy behind them. But when the money is there, you've got to follow that trend, which is effectively your friend. The trend is your friend. Time in the market is also your best friend, But overall, being able to be reactive and proactive simultaneously and have that good synergy and that kind of crypto acumen to identify these big tokens is also very, very important. Now, if you're new here as well, guys, please do get yourself in to Jacob Crypto Clan, my Discord down below. Come hang out with all of us. Let's chat crypto. Let's get to know each other a little bit better. And, you know, fingers crossed we're going to see more good movement to the upside in this channel. I've dropped my Discord link down below. Have a look at why we are literally claimed to be one of the best crypto Discords out there. There's a very good reason for that. And, you know, I think you'll really just love chilling here anyway and just hanging out and talking. Lots of cool opportunities and loads of people willing to learn. People from all over the world, different skill levels, different interests. You know, crypto is a massive thing. It's not just, you know, Ethereum or Bitcoin or Cardano. It's a massive ecosystem with multiple niches, multiple micro communities, and I guess multiple sectors. And that's what's so diverse and amazing about crypto. Anyway, guys, diverging. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this gave you some insight upon how you can find that next big meme coin before people are talking about it. Make sure to do keyword analysis. Make sure to do social analysis. Make sure to always back up yourself. Check Twitter, check the website. Is it legit? Are people talking about it? Are influencers on it? Is it in the news? Are articles talking about it? What is the pending, you know, big releases? Is it going to go on exchanges? And you can use all of these different things to help you to find those big things. So thanks for watching this video. Stay crypto safe. Subscribe if you like this content, and see you all soon. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research, due diligence, have a solid plan, and hopefully things will go well for you. See you soon.